Under the system settings, you can see that we have some information about infrastructure, and you see the resources which are used for the training server and for the pre-annotation server. You can edit those as you see fit according to the size of the machine where you do the deployment. So here, for instance, I have 32 CPU machines, so I can run more active servers in parallel, and I can, maybe assign more resources for training and for pre-annotation just to make them faster. You can, of course, back up all the data, all the projects, the users, and then restore from those backups. You can define your integrations here with LLM service providers. And here under the licenses page, you can import your license key, either by drag and dropping your license JSON file or by integrating with My Johnson Labs if you have your license available on your account on Johnson Labs.